Hey guys, I'm Tyler, and this is my 2012 Cadillac CTS-V. Just bought it the other day. So when I bought it from the dealer and I drove off the lot, the window motor or the wires in it gave out, you know. So that sucks. Got to get that replaced, and it's a pretty good car. Other than that, the Magna ride might go out in it pretty soon, or the front shock right over here. It's like leaking some type of oil out of it or something. But yeah, this car's nice and I love it. I'm pretty new to this YouTube stuff, and so I'm gonna see what I can do with it. Start it up and hopefully get things going on it. Let's see if the remote start works. This key fob doesn't work too well.